Hello and welcome to the new video of Ibrahim's channel. Today I will tell you that there is a big news in industry that Nokia completely rebranded themselves by introducing their new logo in the market. So the CEO of the company, what he said that we want to launch a new brand that is focused on very much on the network and digitalization, which is completely different thing from the legacy mobile phones. So after 60 years, Nokia completely rebranded themselves. The beautiful characters that making a Nokia logo is very dynamic. They can make their logo with any colors, any and publish it on any brand very beautifully. So as you know that Nokia mobiles were the most used mobiles and very big market in all over the world. So but Nokia didn't uh, adopt the new technologies like Apple and Google, and it was really disaster for them. Then the company sold their mobile phone brand on 2014, and it was a really disaster deal that happened with Microsoft. So Nokia company is working on the three strategies. The first is reset, accelerate, and scale. So the first step was reset. They had reset themselves very well, very nicely. So the next step will be like starting now is acceleration, and the third is scale. So Nokia is now focusing on gears, and now they want to focus on telecommunication, 5G technologies, gears, smart gears, and all. So I think Nokia is doing really great, and let's see what they are up to in their next future. So thank you so much. This is it from my side, and keep watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.